It's a Science Fair 101 electronic project kit. Project number 70. Wireless AM transmitter. This wireless AM amplitude modulated transmitter may be used to transmit audio signals which you can hear on your AM radio. These AM signals have been classified as A3 emissions by the Federal Communications Commission, FCC. The wireless transmitter makes use of an audio amplifier and an oscillator which produce AM signals when you talk into the mic. Whose mic? MIC. So we built it there. You can hear the radio hissing away. It's tuned in. Okay, so we've completed the wiring, placed the AM radio receiver near the kit, connected an antenna, and placed an earphone, using an earphone as a microphone. So this amplitude modulated transmitter operates in the 510 to 1600 kilohertz frequency band. The transmitter contains two basic circuits, an audio amplifier and a radio frequency oscillator. The audio amplifier consists of a PNP transistor and a 50K variable resistor potentiometer, volume control, transistor 2SB, amplifies variation in current flow from the mic. The amplified audio signal is coupled from the collector of the 2SB to the base of the transistor of 2SC. Coupled through to the base. In the IC, let's talk about that transistor there, through the 1 microfarad capacitor and the 10K resistor, NPN transistor 2SC and the resonant tank circuit, the coil and the variable capacitor form the RF circuit. In the RF oscillator, the audio signal is mixed with the RF carrier to form an amplitude modulated signal which is radiated from the antenna to your nearby radio receiver. Okay, so you get your audio in, and a sort of volume control straight onto the base of the 2SP PNP transistor. Okay, so from there, once you talk into your microphone, it's amplified through there, self-biasing transistor, pumps this 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and then operates the base on this transistor to transmit at the frequency you've set on the dial. And on this kit, that's a bit poorly, it's not tuning properly. That tunes perfect, it's like a digital AM radio. Okay, so microphone, testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of an AM transmitter built on a Science Fair kit, project number 70. And definitely doesn't like being picked up. Doesn't like being picked up, does it? Woo-hoo. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing, 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 testing. Lost it, oh no, I lost it. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, test, 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 test. Just about there, isn't it? Yeah. So went about there. It came back, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
For rugby.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Day.
I'm just behind one of them channels. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Back on the radio again. Hello, hello. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2. 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Needs a ground, doesn't it? 1, 2, 2. Let's give it a bit of ground. I didn't want to do that on this one here. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hit a range hill now. It's not great earth.
Let's try something.
One, 2.
Welcome. 90.
Oh, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. It's so twitchy, this thing. Hello. Hello, hello.
World Cup. He was later to...
Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, approved it. It is there. It did transmit. That radio's so fiddly to tune. Those nipple buttons by design. So there we go. A bit of a mess around with project number 70, the wireless AM transmitter. And it works.